Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Xbox app failed to update with the error code 0x80073d28 in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. With the error message, something unexpected happened. Reporting this problem will help us understand it better. You can wait, try again, or restart your device. So this error tends to manifest itself when players are trying to update or install the app, which can ruin the fun of gaming completely. Common reasons are network problems like unstable internet connections or incorrect settings can also generate this error by disrupting the installations or update the app. And then I'll show you some solutions to solve that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to repair or reset the Xbox app and other components. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type settings, and then click open. So once you open up the system settings, on left side menu, and then you need to select apps, and on right side, and then you need to click this installed apps. So here at installed apps, and then you can see this search app, and then type this Xbox, and then it will appear this three apps found. So Xbox, Xbox Console Companion, and then the Xbox Live. So all you have to do is to click the three dot on the right side, and then click advanced options, and then scroll down at here at reset. So if this app isn't working right, and then we can try to repair it. And then you need to click this repair and wait to complete the repair process. And then after repair process, and then if this app is still isn't working right, then you can tap this reset, and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences or sign-in details, and then click this reset and wait to complete the reset process. Okay, so reset process complete. So you will do this also with the other components of Xbox. So go back and then type again Xbox. And then, so this is the other components of Xbox. So all you have to do is same procedure. So on right side, then click the three dot, and then click advanced option, and then scroll down at reset settings, and then click repair and wait to complete the repair process. And then next, so if this app is still isn't working right, and then click this reset, and then this will permanently delete the app's data, and then click this reset and wait to complete the reset process. All right, and then next keyword, so go back again, and then type again here at search apps this Xbox and the other components of Xbox, and then Xbox Live. So same procedure, click the three dot on right side, and then click this advanced option, scroll down, and then click this repair and wait to complete the repair process. And then next, so click this reset, and then this will permanently delete the app's data, and then click reset and wait to complete the reset process. Okay, so reset settings process are complete and hope to resolve the error. But if the problem still persists, so the next solutions we will do is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. And once you open up this run on box, and then you need to type this command keyword ws reset.exe. So type this command keyword ws reset.exe, and then click OK. Alright, so this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting the installed apps. Alright, so you can see now this Microsoft Store are go back to the default settings. So that's why we will do this WS resets to clear and go back to default settings and to solve the problem. Alright, so close this Microsoft Store and here at start menu, and then you need to restart. Okay. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Xbox app failed to update with the error code 0x80073d28 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.